Okay, so you do that one by one. So I did the positive of the solar panel, just reinsert it and tighten it. Make sure it's tight. Then go to the next one, which is the negative of the solar panel. So again, just remove. This one looks, this one is not perfect. This one, you can see the shield that was compressed by the charge controller. So that means it wasn't stripped properly. We need to remove an 1/8 of an inch from this one as well. So again, get your Y stripper and remove a little bit of that shield. Okay. This one didn't come off cleanly, but you can just cut it with your fingers. So now you can see it's a little bit, the exposed length of the wire is a little bit longer than it was before. Again, reinsert and tighten the screw. Make sure it actually holds the wire firmly. Okay, that's firm, that's firm. Next one is the positive of the battery. So undo that one. This one also looks bad. If it's too compressed like this one, you can see it is very compressed. It's flat, so that means the charge controller was compressing the shield. So I will go ahead and just cut this end. And then just strip probably 3/8 of an inch from this one. And just make sure it will not fry. So just twist it a little bit to keep it in as one thing and reinsert. Okay, it's tight. Check that it's actually tight. Next, the last one, the negative of the battery. This one also looks bad. So again, you can just cut this end. Remove 3/8 of an inch from the shield. And then twist this to keep it together to avoid it getting frayed. Then reinsert and tighten this back. Okay, so now everything is tight. Just make sure it's actually firmly connected to the charge controller. And then just put this back together. So you have to slide this back here, down here, all the way down. And then when it's roughly in the correct location, the Velcro will keep it in place. So just push this towards the box. And then you can just connect this red micro USB cable to this board. You can reconnect the battery. And you can put it back in its place. So these connectors will face down on this orientation, and just keep the cables between the connectors. Give it some space, and then just slide it down. So the Velcro here should contact the mating Velcro on the box, and then just push the battery towards the Velcro, towards the box, to lock it in place. And last but not least, remember to reconnect the solar panel cable here. So you push and then you twist this. Yeah. Okay, so you push hard, then you push this nut and twist it clockwise for a quarter of a turn, and it should then should stay connected firmly. So that's it. You can close the box and then lower the solar panel. Okay. And then you can just reinstall these ones, or you can reinstall these when you mount it on the pole, if that's easier.